back, guys, to the channel. So today we got a wide Xmaxx again, and I think we fixed the problem why the arms kept breaking. Thanks to you guys who were watching my last video, you guys noticed the issue way before I did. So after installing the wide kit, I broke the arms twice already. And I was kind of getting frustrated because I know before that, when I had the other arms, I never had issues. Sorry if I can't pronounce your name. He commented and he's just like, hey, your tie bars for the bulkhead are missing. So I went back and checked it, and yeah, I was missing the tie bars. And then I had just multiple people commenting the same thing, saying, hey dude, your tie bars are missing. This is what they look like. Here's the top one, and these go on the bottom. So they go right here, and the pin goes through them. I'm still confused how I missed him. I don't know when I lost him or how I lost him. So I ran 2 times without them, and that's why I broke the arms. So we're gonna run the same setup, wide kit with the belted tires. Alright. That wasn't pretty. Yeah.
Try it so bad. I've got a little I really want to try this.
Woo!
On the opposite.
Woo! Surprisingly, there is still enough air control with those tires. I thought I'm gonna have a lot less, but still you could control it fairly easy. I probably can't do a backflip, but I could control it in the air.
That goes so fast. I can't believe how far you went out.
Camera mount just keeps falling off because I should have put it right away before I got it dirty.
Got this.
Go for it, just go. That was pretty good. So far, it's not bad. It's holding up pretty good. I think the grass just really softens the jump, so it's not that bad. No broken arms. I think those tie bars are pretty important. Oh. I might have broke the fence. Okay, so we took off the cap, but I don't know I don't know where the cap went. It just flew. The Xmaxx looks okay. I don't think we broke anything on the Xmaxx. Yeah, Xmaxx looks fine. Just got a little too close. But yeah, so far, no broken arms. I think the grass helps out a lot. Yeah, we just broke. I mean, we didn't really break, it just came loose. Actually, we did break the back bar. So I am gonna keep the white kit since it's been working out really fine after we fixed the tie bar issue. So I'm gonna keep the white kit and just run it the way it is now. The tires are pretty cool. I'm probably gonna go back and forth between the stock tires and these tires because these tires are pretty cool. I'll probably use them more of if we're like racing around the track or something, or if just do some light bashing. But so far the tires have been pretty cool. So thanks guys for watching this video. Subscribe down below and I'll see you guys next time.